Schedule SE figures the self-employment tax you owe on your net earnings from working for yourself. This tax covers Social Security and Medicare, the same contributions an employer would otherwise split with you. The rate is 15.3% on net earnings up to the Social Security wage base, then 2.9% for Medicare above it. You can deduct half of it as an adjustment to income. Enter the name and Social Security number of the person with self-employment income. Line 2 is your net profit from Schedule C, or your share from a partnership. The form multiplies it by 92.35% to get your net earnings from self-employment, then applies the tax. Only net earnings of $400 or more are subject to the tax. Remember to carry the deduction for 1/2 of your self-employment tax to Schedule 1. It reduces your income tax, even though it does not reduce the self-employment tax itself. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.